Today, I'm going to be showing you how to schedule unplanned downtime within your PlanetTogether system. First, click on the Capacity Tools button found in the bottom left-hand corner of the Gantt view. Next, click the Offline Capacity interval and move up to the machine you are going to apply this downtime to. I'm going to apply our downtime to the purification machine. After left-clicking, the capacity interval dialog box will appear. Look at the start and end times and choose the times your machine went down or is planned to go down. I will go from noon on the 14th, and I will end my downtime on the 16th at noon, indicating that this machine has gone down for 2 days. Rename the capacity interval and when you're satisfied with your changes, click Save and Close at the bottom. As you can see, the unplanned downtime has been now applied to the purification machine. It overlaps the standard shift schedule and is shown in gray instead of green. As you can see, the operation that was scheduled to run during the 14th and the 15th has been pushed back to right after noon on the 16th, indicating that this operation cannot run during this unplanned downtime.